What are the different categories of mutual funds available? What are the risks involved in those funds? Financial expert Mr. Gururaj will elaborate on this. Gururaj, over to you.
There are different categories of equity funds, or rather the mutual funds. So one is the equity fund category. As I said, it is going to be volatile because directly I'm investing in stocks. Similarly, bond funds are basically, we call it as debt funds. Debt funds are basically, you have this interest rate volatility. And then we have thematic or sector funds where there is a concentration in sector, which is the risk which is available in this category. Concentration of particular sector. For example, if I'm having a pharma fund, my investments 95% will be in pharma sector only. So I'm just concentrating in one sector. For example, 2020 when Corona came, everybody was investing in pharma sector. After that, probably they lost interest. Similarly, at some point in time, IT sector will be the hot cake for investors. Today, IT sector is not doing well. People will not look at it. Right. So sector funds are definitely, you have the concentration risk. And then the other categories, it is a combination of equity and debt. So it will be a combination of both the market risk as well as the interest rate and credit risk.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.